Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add a PayPal balance to your PayPal account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you're not already. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So in the main page, you can get started logging in or signing up for an account if you do not already have one. So in the upper right corner, you can get started creating an account if you need one. If not, guys, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So go ahead and log in normally, and once you have logged in, now we can get started. So by logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, guys, where you'll be able to see all your info, such as your activity, your send options, you can request money, and you can take a look at your wallet and so on. Basically, what we are looking for is the PayPal balance section right here. This is going to be immediately available once you open up PayPal. In the home page, you'll have your balance section where you can take a look at what your balance is, how much money you have, and so on. And basically, there is going to appear an option by clicking on your PayPal balance that's going to enable you to transfer money, so you can go ahead and connect your card or any option that you have, such as your bank or card that you want. You can connect to PayPal, and from there you can get started uploading money from your card or from your bank and withdrawing it in PayPal. So you can deposit into PayPal and it's going to appear in your balance. After that, you can spend it wherever you want by connecting your PayPal, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.